In every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. The earth has music for those who listen. Nature always wears the colors of the spirit. Colors of the spirit. Colors are the smiles of nature. Adopt the pace of nature. Her secret is patience. The clearest way into the universe is through a forest wilderness. The goal of life is living in agreement with nature. Nature is not a place to visit. It is home. The poetry of the earth is never dead. Nature is the purest portal to inner peace. Nature is the art of God. Study nature, love nature, stay close to nature. It will never fail you. The earth does not belong to us. We belong to the earth. More often we see the things around us, even the beautiful and wonderful things. The more they become invisible to us. Keep close to nature's heart, and break clear away, once in a while, and climb a mountain or spend a week in the woods. Wash your spirit clean. One touch of nature makes the whole world kin.